Welcome to the Boho Beautiful Essential Yin Yoga Journey. Yin Yoga is a special practice of yoga that not only challenges the body, increases flexibility, and helps release the connective tissue, but it also helps you let go of any negativity, emotional stress, or tension in your mind. Through the next 4 classes, we will be embarking on a journey together. Our goals will be to realign the body, the mind, as well as let go of the things that no longer serve us. During this time, it's very normal to experience a variety of emotions and thoughts. We store a lot of energy and emotions physically in our bodies, and Yin Yoga tends to always find a way to help us release it. During this process, it's normal to experience a wide variety of reactions, may that be negative or positive. Just surrender. No matter where your mind goes, remember to always return to your breath for guidance. 3 of the 4 of the following classes were shot at different projects run by an incredible organization called Save Elephant Foundation. We're proud to be donating a portion of the proceeds from this Yin Yoga series directly to them. We encourage you to learn more about their work and the incredible impact they continue to bring across Southeast Asia through their website. With that said, let's begin the journey.